Hold on, right? Keep it there, keep it there. You can do your thing on top.
So guys, here, Auto Finesse. Oh! James, how are you?
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you, man. Thanks for putting on an amazing event.
Thank you for coming.
Really good vibes. For those who couldn't make it, who are at maybe Waxstock or some of the other stuff, you are missing out big time. But I'm hopefully gonna go around, film some of the cars, and then you can enjoy the city leisure. Peace. Always a good vibe here at Auto Finesse. Oh, we're in there. Sorry, guys.
Oh, cheers. Nice photo.
The video. It's not either. Anyways, let me chat to you. So, there's the Abarth. It is looking lovely, even if I do say so myself. Let's give you a quick walk around and then we'll show you some of the other cars. So, Auto Finesse fans, this is my Abarth 124 Spider. She is lowered on OZ Ultralegeras, 18 inches, 20mm spacers, Brembos, carbon fibre mirrors, 25mm spacers with a bit of cheeky camber on the back. What else? Not much else to tell you actually. I have got a few mods coming, but let me show you some of the other cars. The car is getting quite a bit of attention, as is Becky. Give us a wave. This VW Caddy looks like it's literally in the ground. Happy now? Look at this, the famous Auto Finesse truck. There's a red theme to this video.
I was going to say that would be my car.
That's epic. Loving this Golf. That is, I don't know why I just love that. Insane rims on this Audi. Bex, can you point out cars that you like?
Okay.
Not now, but as we go along.
Oh, that red one.
Oh, okay, I don't know if it's that.
Basically any vintage.
What about this one? Do you like the wheels?
I appreciate the wheels.
There's a fat ass BBM. Oh, it's a pop-up number plate, isn't it? If you like camber, what about that? Guys, if you're watching this, spot your car, tag yourself. Oh, love that Mini. The install, that's cool. Oh, Becky's found her dream cars. Which one's your favourite? You can only pick one. I love
Do you know what?
that middle one.
I like the
That
middle one. It's light grey. Do a mix of the two.
They're the same car.
Different colour.
RS3. Yeah, that's cool.
Like vintage stuff in it. So what do you say customer?
Huh?
What do you say customer?
Sorry. Nando's. Some nice cars here. Ooh, look at that one.
I like that grey and black one.
Yeah. A lot of cool colours. Right, so there you have it. Chill and Grill 2019. Got the sticker, which means I was here. And Bex, where should we put it? Should we put it over here? Let's put it over here. Here? Here. It's not a racetrack, but
No, it's not.
it could look cool there.
It will only be on there for 6 months and then it will move on to the next.
Alright, do you want to put it on? Can I use your dress?
No!
Bring it closer.
Oh my god, use the inside of it at least.
There we go.
Okay, where do you want it?
Yeah. Tuck it in closer to the thing. A bit further in.
You don't
Down,
want to go
further down. Oh no. Up. Yeah. There.
Are you sure?
Yeah. That's it.
You sure?
That's it. Beautiful. Can we get your dress on there again? Come on. No, use your dress. Yeah. Lovely.
Beautiful.
Dead bug. Dead bug. Oh, dead bug's not moving. Right, guys, let's do it. Naughty. Do you want to sign off?
Goodbye.
What should they do?
Like and subscribe.
You heard it here first. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Just enjoy the video.